So it's the Designer Series DS-160W. Has a skyhook technology, just like their custom series, but this is a little bit more premium, one level up. And you can see you can just push it right in like that, and it releases those hooks. Make sure you check for level. Just like that. And then you have your grill right here. Super clean, bezel-less design from Klipsch. Very nice speaker for the money. We're using this as front, left, and right, and surround left and right. This is the installation of the DS-160W. For purchasing, give us a call, shoot us an email. We got the best pricing in town and on the internet. Thank you for watching. This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater.